In this video, I'll show you how to remove someone from your private server on Roblox. Removing anyone from your private server is super easy, but before I start the video, if you're new to the channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to remove someone from your private server, simply go ahead and tap on the search bar at the very top and simply go ahead and search for the game, or I have the game right here, so I'm going to click on this that I have the server for, and if inside the game, just go ahead and click on server and you'll get to see I have a server here. So if I click on this three-dot line beside the server and click on configure, and from this page if I scroll down, you'll get to see I have added one person to this server. So now to remove this person, you can tap on this cross button beside this one, and it is asking to remove the person. They will no longer be able to join to your private server. You can click on remove and the person will be removed from your private server. This is so easy, right? Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.